sitting in the row.
My name's Colonel Johnson. I run the ROTC program here at Richwoods High School. Today we have an excellent opportunity to let the cadets see a CH-47 Chinook helicopter from the Army National Guard. After the kids look at the helicopter, they'll be going up and flying around the skies of Peoria. We're able to do this opportunity thanks to the excellent cooperation of the local Army Guard unit and also the guys at the headquarters in Springfield. They approved this request at the last minute, short notice. We're very cooperative and wanted this to happen as much as we did.
This is just transport?
Yeah, we're just troop transport for the most part. Now, I have door gunners in the back and they do their shooting. For us up front here, we're focused on the objective that we have to land at.
Right.
So as we're coming up and over a ridge line, we start picking out what house we need to land next to. That's kind of what we're focusing on.
Doing it when you're standing out there.
Alright, my turn.
Are those the parachutes? Tell me.
So where are your door gunners at?
We have one on each side and one on the ramp.
Did we crash in the air?
And you gotta check like all this?
Yep. You can pay attention to everything. The real basic breakdown, these are engines for us. We're watching these all the time for your engines.
Right.
This is telling you transmission stuff. And the most important guy here is this guy. And that's telling you how fast the blades are turning above you. As long as everything's running at 100%, we are good to go. When that goes below 100%, that's always a bad day.
And how do you steer with this?
This basically makes you go up and down. That will make you go forward and back and left and right. And then the pedals will allow you to spin.
You can push this thing backwards?
Oh, heck yeah.
That's raw.
Yep. So you can parallel park this thing.
Let's take a picture.
Oh, yeah.
Cadets, can I get a motivation check? All right.